Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to make bracket orders with Alpaca's API. So specifically I want to emphasize some of the pain points I had. So for example, when I made a bracket order, I could see the order status of the parent, but I couldn't see the order status of the children when I filtered on open orders because it wasn't in the open orders. But when I filtered on all orders, I could see the children and it had a status equals held. So let me show you those points. This of course assumes you watched my video, the ultimate alpaca paper trading tutorial. But anyways, let's get started with this example. Of course, please like and subscribe because it helps me a ton. So the first things first is let's like in my other video, I have this helper method to view JSON like things or like lists of dicks type stuff as a data frame. It just helps a lot. And then we're going to install the alpaca-py library, not the alpaca trade API, alpaca-py. We're going to get our API key and secret from here, and I showed you in the last video how to do that. So I'll do from google.collab import user data get alpaca API key and alpaca API secret is what I called it. Alpaca, not alpaca. Alpaca. Oops. You would think it'd be smart enough to know like the ones I have. I guess then it wouldn't be a secure. Alpaca. Oops. Okay, so API key and secret. So I'll call this alpaca API secret, and I'll call this one alpaca API key, like this. So now I'm going to connect to the trading client. So I'll do from alpaca that client, import trading client. Trading client equals trading client like this. And let's cancel all orders. So we start with like empty slate. It's not cancel orders, it's cancel orders. Okay, so I canceled our orders. Now let's go and look at our alpaca dashboard. I wish this was a real account, but it's a demo account. And if you look at your order tab, it has recent orders. Click view all. And if you can filter on things like filters. And if you filter on open orders, you see I have none. Okay. So now let's go back and let's show you how to make the bracket order itself. So just to remind people, a bracket order is like where you have either a limit or a market order, and then once that fills, you'll have two orders. You'll have a take profit order and a stop loss order. So let me show you how to do that. So first we need the parent order. It can be a market order or a limit order. Let's just do a market order for now. So I'll call this bracket order equals market order request, and then it gives me symbol equals Apple. Let's switch to AMD because that's what I lose money on. So now let's do these imports from alpaca that trading that request, import market order request. The enums order side would be buy and sell, order side that buy, time and force, day or good to close you could do. So market order request. So the only difference now is you're going to need two more things. You're going to need not type. If you write type, you're going to, you know what, maybe I'll show you type anyway just to show you that it's wrong. You know what, forget this, sorry. Let's just do it the right way. So you need order class, and I'll call this order class dot bracket. And then you need two more things. You need take profit equals take profit request. You give it a limit price above the current price, so 120, and then you have a stop loss equals stop loss request. Stop price equals 100, something below, and let's add this here. Take profit request, stop loss request. Order class is not here. Order class is supposed to be here. See, the AI is not perfect. So this is the market order request. Did I forget anything? I probably made a mistake, but this is, as you see, I have the parent, which is the market, and then I have the take profit and stop loss. This is called limit price, sorry. Okay, so now to place the order, we do trading client that submit order bracket order, right? Okay, so I submitted the order. So now look at what's interesting is open order. I only see one thing, which is the confusing thing, and that's annoying because like you can't see the children order. This is just the buy order, right? But if I take this out, you'll see that I actually do have the children orders. This is filtering on all. I have the children order. I have like the limit here and the stop here, and it says like status equals new held. By the way, this status is different than the status you filter on. So in the API, the status you filter on is called query order status, and the other status is something else. So let me show you guys precisely what I mean. So if I want to look at all the orders, remember from the previous video, I can do trading client that get orders status equals query order status dot open. It only allows you to do equals open, close, and all. But what's confusing is the open doesn't have the child orders. So now I can do from alpaca that trading at nums. I should just do import star. Maybe I'll do that next time. Trading client that get orders status equal query status that open. And now when I do this, and then I'll use my handy view as a data frame method. Look what happens. I only get one thing. Oh, sorry. I need this to be a. I need to get orders request. As you see, alpaca that trading that request import get orders request. So as you see, let's visualize it like this. You see, I only get one order, and that's the parent market order. As you see nicely though, you have order class as bracket. By the way, that's a big way to debug it. If your order class is simple, you made a mistake. So that's the thing, is it doesn't show this. You really have to do filter on query order status dot all, and then you'll see if we look at the first thing, three things, you'll see that we have our parent market order with status new. And then you'll have the two orders, the limit, the take profit that has the limit, and the stop loss that has the stop value. So that's the confusing thing. So hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much. And I should have weekly alpaca videos at least.